If CapCut has been lagging for you, freezing during playback, or just feeling slow while you edit, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can make a big difference fast. These steps are easy to follow and they can help CapCut run smoother, whether you're editing on a laptop or a desktop. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is lower the preview resolution. A lot of the time, CapCut lags because your computer is trying to play back the video in full quality while you're editing. That uses more power and can make everything feel slow. To fix this, go to your video preview window and look for the playback box in the bottom right corner. Click on it and you should see options for preview quality. Instead of full quality, switch it to low quality. This reduces the load on your system while you edit, so playback becomes much smoother. Don't worry, this does not mean your final export will always look bad. It just helps CapCut run better while you're working. Next, if CapCut is still lagging, you should clear your cache. Over time, CapCut stores temporary files to help with editing, but if those files build up too much, they can actually slow the app down instead of helping it. To clear them, go into CapCut settings, then find cache size. From there, clear the cache data. This can free up space and remove old temporary files that might be causing stuttering, delayed playback, or random crashes. If you edit a lot, this is one of the best habits to keep CapCut performing well. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut and check if the lag has improved. The third fix is to make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. This is really important because it allows your GPU to help with processing instead of putting all the pressure on your CPU. In CapCut, go to the performance settings and look for the option that says speed up hardware encoding and decoding. Turn that on so your graphics card can do more of the heavy lifting. If your GPU is being utilized properly, CapCut should feel much more responsive, especially when editing larger files, adding effects, or working with multiple clips. If this option is already on, it's still worth checking that your graphics drivers are up to date, because outdated drivers can sometimes cause performance issues too. So, to quickly recap, if CapCut is lagging, first lower the preview resolution to low quality, then clear your cache, and finally enable hardware acceleration in the performance settings. These 3 steps solve a lot of common CapCut slowdown problems, and they're the first things I recommend trying before anything more advanced. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.